3 rules that make life way better. You ever look at life and think, there's got to be a better way to do this? Not just survive it, but live it in a way where you feel lighter, stronger, more connected. You wake up every day, scrolling through your phone, chasing deadlines, trying to keep your head above water, but still feeling like something's missing. Not money, not fame, just peace, purpose, a reason. See, life doesn't come with an instruction manual, but there are some unwritten rules that, if you follow, can completely flip the script. Let me give you 3 rules that aren't flashy, but they'll make your life way better. Not in a fake, just think positive kind of way, but in a real, deep, change your soul kind of way. Rule 1, protect your peace like it's treasure. You wouldn't leave your front door open at night, would you? So why do you leave your mind wide open to anything and everything? Gossip, negativity, drama, social media chaos. People are constantly throwing their junk into your mental space. Protecting your peace means saying no, even when it's uncomfortable. It means leaving group chats, walking away from arguments that go nowhere, and most importantly, it means learning to be okay with silence. Peace isn't passive, it's a choice, a daily battle. You don't just find peace, you fight for it. Some people drain you just by talking. You know exactly who I'm talking about. Don't hand them your energy like it's a clearance item. Your energy is premium, limited edition. Protect it. Guard your inner calm like it's a sacred flame. Because when you have peace, you think clearer, you move wiser, and you start attracting the right people. Peace is magnetic. When you carry it, people notice, even if they can't explain it. Rule 2, do hard things on purpose. Listen, nobody became great by being comfortable. Comfort zones are cute, but they're a trap disguised as safety. Every version of you that's stronger, sharper, more confident, it's all hiding on the other side of something hard. And the truth, you don't rise to the level of your dreams. You fall to the level of your habits. So if you want more out of life, stop waiting for motivation and start practicing discipline. Wake up early when you don't want to, hit the gym when it's cold, say no to shortcuts even when everyone else is taking them. Because when you choose the hard path, life gets easier in the long run. And here's the secret most people miss. Doing hard things builds proof that you're not soft, proof that you can count on yourself. You start stacking evidence that says, yeah, I finish what I start. Yeah, I push through pain. Yeah, I don't quit just because it got tough. That kind of self-respect, that's priceless. That changes everything. Rule 3, be kind, even when you're tired. In a world where people are quick to snap, cancel, ignore, or hate, it's easy to mirror the mess. But kindness, that's power. Quiet power. The kind that doesn't need applause, the kind that changes people without saying a word. You never know what someone else is carrying. A kind word, a smile, holding the door. It seems small, but it could be the only light someone gets that day. And when you make kindness a lifestyle, not a strategy, life gets sweeter. Not because people are always kind back, but because you sleep better, you walk lighter, you start to love the person you see in the mirror. And the crazy thing is, kindness doesn't mean weakness. It's actually the opposite. Anyone can clap back, anyone can hold a grudge, but it takes real strength to stay soft in a world that tries to make you hard. So yeah, life is complicated, no one's denying that. But these 3 rules, protect your peace, do hard things, be kind. They simplify the noise. They give you a rhythm to move to, a way to walk through storms and still stay dry on the inside. These aren't just habits, they're armor. Armor that protects your joy, your momentum, your soul. Follow them consistently, and I promise you, you won't just survive life, you'll thrive in it. You'll walk with more grace, speak with more weight, and live with more clarity than ever before. Now, before I go, let me say this. You don't have to be perfect to live better, just intentional. These rules, they won't change everything overnight, but they will change you. And once you change everything you touch. So breathe deep, walk steady, and remember, better doesn't mean busier. It means lighter, it means freer, and it's already yours, if you're ready to live by it. Let's build a life that's not just impressive, but impactful. You got this.